Hi everybody, Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and today is another day in the morning, and we're catching the market open. We're catching AMC and GME, Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and let's see what is popping. Hoping everyone's doing well this morning. Good morning, Dave. What's up? How's it going? Yep, another day of AMC and GME. Let's see what is going down, folks. Let's see. Okay, market's opening. Let's give it a quick refresh, and let's see the market open now, right? Let's see. Where is AMC at? All right, AMC is gapping down. AMC gapped down and is kind of bouncing up now. It's currently at about $50.58. Okay, Bitcoin and Dogecoin are kind of doing a similar kind of thing here. Bitcoin and Dogecoin doing a similar action here. Okay, AMC and GME are both bouncing on open here, so that's pretty good to see. It is very cool. Doge don't care AMC? Probably. Good morning, everybody. Yep, so currently AMC is bouncing and so is GME here. Let me zoom in for you guys to see here, right? AMC and GME are both seeing a nice market open today. That's pretty good. I like that. Hey, Saifla, welcome to my Saifala, welcome, bro. You are now a Doge soldier. Welcome to the Doge army, my friend. The Raf says I sold BTC because of ELON effect. Well, with BTC, for Bitcoin, once they sold off, it bounced also like in a few hours later. So one of those things right here, right? One of those things, man. Elon can definitely move markets, that's for sure. Okay, so AMC is seeing a nice bounce here. So even though AMC was offering about 11 million shares to raise money to make AMC more solvent, even though that happened, AMC is still rising. So that's kind of surprising. What's up, Max? So it's actually very good news, actually. The fact that we're seeing AMC bounce right now. However, though, if you look at it from a daily perspective here, right? We are still having something called an inside candlestick. So this means that for AMC, it may get around to $64 today, and after that, it may get rejected off of that. So just be careful, okay, folks? All right. So even if AMC gets around to $64, it'll probably get rejected and come back down. So around 61, you know, well, 1 second here. Let me give you guys some resistance here for you guys. 1 second. These are gonna be things to watch out for if you're in AMC here, okay? These are going to be your resistance, all right? And your supports, depending on where the sticks are at. All right. All right, then. So let me go ahead and be closer now. So again, sure, why not? Sure, AMC go $100. Sure, why not? Anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. So for AMC, right, we're having lots of resistance here. Lots of resistance. 49.30, 54.85, 57.87, 60.78, 65.12, And of course, 68.95. So just some numbers to watch out for, okay? Those can be your support or resistance. All right. So far, we're seeing 54.85 becoming a resistance. And let's go to the daily here, right? To the daily, make it closer here. All right. So again, yesterday we saw a inside candlestick for the previous day. Today, I suspect we will see a similar action. If that happens, if we see another inside candlestick, that means if we get around to $64 today, right, we will probably get rejected and push off of that price point. That'll be the high for a day, if we can even get that. If we can get that high. So I just wanted to make that quick mention right there. Dogecoin is currently at 36.40 here. So Bitcoin is currently at 37,000. Like I believe yesterday Bitcoin, I'm sorry, yesterday Dogecoin was around 40 cents yesterday right here, right? Yeah. Yesterday Dogecoin was around 40 cents. And now we're at 36 cents. Okay, that's not good. And Dogecoin is still pulling back, even though Bitcoin is actually, well, you know what? Bitcoin and Dogecoin are now following each other now, pretty much, right? A few days ago, Dogecoin was taking off and doing its own thing because of the Coinbase news. But after a few days, after the news has settled down, right, we're seeing Dogecoin follow Bitcoin again. So that's what we see currently. All right. Okay, AMC and GME are both pulling back now. Yesterday for AMC and GME, they both gapped down and they kind of sank a little bit. Today, kind of different. They opened up and you saw a nice buying pressure. Once it got bought up, now it's kind of selling off now. So we're seeing a different market open today. Let's see here. Okay, we're seeing a further rejection now. A further rejection. We are breaking down below the support around 49.44. Okay. That's definitely interesting. Okay, now we're seeing a little bounce now. Okay, that's good. Cool. That's very cool. All right. AMC still bouncing. Very good. Very good for AMC to see it continue to bounce here. Honestly, a little surprised here, to be honest. A little surprised here. I didn't think it would do this, but it's very good that it's doing this right now. The fact that it's even bouncing is phenomenal. No complaints whatsoever here. Okay, all right, AMC is still continuing to bounce. That is fantastic. Yes, that is what you want to see, a continued bounce. Yes, sir. That is exactly what you want to see, man. That's awesome. I like that. My Twitter, sure. Let me see my Twitter. I don't know what it is though. Let's check my Twitter real quick. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna watch that because I don't want to get I don't want YouTube to block me or anything, so. I don't know who Davey, whatever his name is. I don't know who he is, but yeah. Let me make sure I close it too. I don't want it to stay here and close it. All right. Yep, I don't know who he is. That's for reals. I don't watch other people. I told you guys. I'm sure he's good, but I don't watch anyone else because I don't have time to. So fantastic. Okay, we're still bouncing here. Very good here. Of course, even though we're bouncing for AMC here, right? It's showing some weakness and some strength at the same time. So this is very good and very indecisive. Today's one of those mornings where we actually have to watch it today because there's no trend right now. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin is showing a little bit of a lull here, and let's see if it could test the 37,100 resistance. Okay, let's see if AMC can test a 54.85 resistance, and let's see if we can break it out. Okay, very cool. I don't know what Barstool Sports is either. So, is that a bar? Is it like a? I don't know. What is it? Is it like a? Yeah, I'm not sure what it is. So. Okay. ESPN. Okay, gotcha. All right, I gotcha. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're still bouncing here. Let's see if GME can retake the upward trend on here. Okay, so around 263.37 could be a resistance. Okay. Okay, the betting side. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Okay, I gotcha now. Thank you. Oh wow. Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome, man. Nope. I wouldn't say this is a cup and handle, that's for sure. Let's see. All right, okay. We're still rocking and rolling, right? It is awesome. So AMC is still bouncing here. I believe the Wall Street Journal was saying today something to the effect of they're reporting that many folks at AMC were very disgruntled and unhappy with the CEO. With the CEO of AMC saying, "Hey, bro, why don't you just let us have this short squeeze here, right? Why are you releasing more shares out to dilute the float here, right? You know, we've been with you for a few months. We pulled you out of bankruptcy. We have pulled you out of bankruptcy, and now you are raising money off of our hard work. Oh my God, you are a bad CEO." So you're seeing lots of complaints here from the Wall Street Bets people here on Reddit, and of course Wall Street Journal is actually reporting on it. So that's a surprising thing right there. The fact that Wall Street Journal is reporting on Wall Street Bets just tells you how powerful of a social movement this is, though. But at the same time here, right, we saw GME become an example, right? of what not to do. So you know, I'm pretty sure these hedge funds, you know, they have a different plan now. They aren't gonna do another GME 2.0 and get short squeezed so easily. So I still think that AMC, I'm pretty sure AMC won't see as strong as a bounce because GME was the first time we saw a short squeeze happen of that magnitude. And I'm pretty sure this time here for AMC, the hedge funds, they are better equipped and they have more knowledge of what's going on now. So you best believe they will be prepared. They will not get caught with their pants down again, right? Fool me once, right? But you know, fool me once, fine. Fool me twice, shame on me here, right? So you know that saying here. So these hedge funds, I'm pretty sure they're hiring people to monitor these kind of things now. So just things to be aware of here if you're going long or hoping for a short squeeze on AMC, you know? Let's see, did WEBULL freeze? Let me see, did WEBULL freeze? $55.02. There we go. Yeah, WEBULL's weird. It kind of free. WEBULL kind of chug sometimes. That's bizarro. Okay. So AMC reached a resistance at 54.85. It kind of broke through it, and now it's kind of pulling back off of it. So let's see if that resistance can be a support, or will it be a resistance? So far, it looks like it wants to become a support though. So that's very bullish for AMC. That's phenomenal. Good job, Simps. Take them support ladder by ladder by ladder and continue to build up. Yes, sir. That's good news right there. GME is trying to break the resistance of the previous upward trend here. So let's hope they can take it back and do a bounce like AMC is. Dogecoin is pulling back, currently at 36.28. Bitcoin is showing a little lull here. All right. For some reason, Webull is kind of slow in terms of data here, right? That's kind of strange. It's kind of a little slow here. Let's see here. Okay. AMC is still showing a little rejection off it, right? Around 54.85 resistance. It's showing a little bounce off that and some rejection off that. So looks like the AMC bulls are showing some weakness right now. We saw a short upward trend here. We saw a short upward trend, and now we're seeing some rejection. All right, upper trend line was broken down on a 1 minute perspective here for AMC. Okay, Dogecoin is showing some poise. I like that. That's good. Okay, so it's pretty cool currently. We're still seeing We're still seeing AMC and GME getting rejected off of the previous support and the previous resistance here. So far, GME and AMC are showing some weakness. I wouldn't say there's anything to be concerned about, but wow. All right. Doing good, Dustin. You're on lunch break. Wow. Okay. Super hot under my welding hood. I bet it's hot, man. Ooh, lunch break already. That's pretty cool, man. Wait, lunch break? Wait, Dustin, aren't you over Michigan or something? Yeah, Dustin Bovey, you're in Michigan, right? Lunch break, isn't it like what? Like 10 o'clock right now or something? Or 11 o'clock? Wait, yeah, 10 o'clock, right? In Michigan, Eastern time? Okay, Dogecoin is showing a little bounce here, so is Bitcoin as well. All right, GME is showing some more weakness, so is AMC. Oh, wow. You have a 10 a.m. lunch? That's pretty early, man, for a lunch. Oh, sorry, 6. Okay, I got you. See, that makes more sense now. I was like, lunch, like what? That's cool, man. That's cool. Good for you, man. That's good. That's good. Very cool. Okay. All right. Dustin Bobby says, I commit to buying 1 Dogecoin every hour, no matter the price. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. Nice. There you go. So every day you buy at least 24 Dogecoins. Dustin Bovia is definitely doing his part for the Doge army. That's cool. I respect that. That's cool. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what's going on with here. AMC is still showing some rejection here, right? What's going on, man? Okay. All right, so it looks like we're bouncing off the 49.30 support there. It looks like we're seeing some support anywhere from 49.84 to about 50.75. Is a buy zone for AMC currently. Of course, I don't give a financial advice. It's purely what I see on the charts here. And now we're seeing a little U form on AMC. So this could be a setup for a nice bull run to the upside here. GME, however, is showing the opposite here. And GME is not showing bullish signs. If anything, GME is showing bearish signs. So it looks like they will continue the pullback from what I can see on the chart perspective. Okay. GME got rejected off of the previous upward trend line, and now it's going to break back down. I'm seeing a hill, so that's going to continue the downward price pressure. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so again, we're seeing AMC doing a little consolidation here, right? A little consolidation. From there, they can push up here, okay? So again, for AMC, anywhere from 49.79 up to about 50.75, looks like a dip buying zone. the bulls came in there and he bought up pretty quick. And let's see if that'll be a support, or let's see if that will continue to be a support for the bulls. Of course, this is all very, very short term, so please be aware of that. Let's see here. Okay, all right, AMC is showing some bearish signs now. Let's see. I wonder why WEBULL is so slow today. Oh well. Okay, we're pulling back now. We're pulling back. Now we're pulling back. You know what? I will see on TradingView instead, because WEBULL is showing some slowness right now. I'm not too sure why. So let's cover AMC directly for now. Who else here sold yesterday doing the stalls? I don't know. Who sold? Not sure. Hopefully, you guys are taking profits every day, though. That's why. That's pretty much all I can say was that. Right? It's very volatile, so sell to strength, okay, folks? Look at GME. Wow, GME is testing the 253.41 support right there. Okay, that's okay, man, Roger. That's okay. That's okay, buddy. It's okay, man. As long as you make profits, you get out, you're good, man. Don't worry about it. If it goes to the moon tomorrow, if it goes to $100, don't worry about that. You know what I mean? It's all good. No one can predict that. That is purely gambling. All right. I always say to you guys, if you have a position here, take 5% off each day. You know, each day it goes to all-time highs here, right? And you will come out with great profits over time. And the less skin you have and the less coins or the less stocks you have as it goes up and into new higher all-time highs, you will feel more comfortable with your trade. Okay, AMC is bouncing again, right? So AMC is bouncing. AMC is showing some bullish tendencies. GME got rejected all the way down to the previous support at 253.31, and now we're bouncing off that support as well, and now we're rising now. That's very good. Let's see if this can continue though. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, AMC is showing a nice bounce now. It's very cool. You know what? I'm gonna stay here instead. All right. So AMC is bouncing on TradingView. All right, getting a little rejection right there.
We are ready to get you there. KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Book your flight today on klm.com.
Everyone go Coinbase to buy Doge. That's funny. Let's see here. What are you guys saying here? Okay. Okay, some rejection off of $52 here. All right, now we're coming back down to, and now we're coming back down to around $50. So AMC was showing some strength here, right? And now they're kind of getting rejected here. So this little thing here is looking. So this little trade here could possibly get invalidated, but so far I'm gonna say, you know what? I think it has more reason. I think it has more reason to run up than run down for AMC currently. since today when the market opened, there was lots of buying volume, so definitely a different day for AMC. And also understand, also understand there are plenty of people right now FOMOing in to AMC. I just hope some of you guys here and gals here are not FOMOing into AMC, because right now is not the time to buy. Okay, now is the time to sell, not be buying right now. For the folks buying right now, you are doing what they call chasing the trade. Okay, what that means is you buy green and you sell green, which means you buy high and you sell higher. So please, if you're in this live stream, do not FOMO. Okay, if you want to watch, by all means watch. It's by all means watch. It's very entertaining, but do not FOMO into the trade. Okay, because more than likely, if you buy now, you'll become a bag holder. Okay, I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but you have a higher probability, a higher chance of being a bag holder and then being upset. Okay, AMC is breaking down. Okay, AMC is breaking down right now. Holy cow, look at that. Whoa, that's a huge sell-off there. Huge sell-off. Huge. Wow. So AMC is showing some weakness here, right? This morning it opened up at around the low today open is about 48.20. 48.26. Okay. So if we break 48.26, look up below. Okay. All right. So if we break out of 48.26, look out below, folks. That means we could see a possible further breakdown, because that means you're going to see a lower low for the day. Okay, so the bulls came in and they were buying it up. Okay, around 49.68 to about 49.08. They came in and started buying some AMC right there, and now we're seeing a little bounce here. But let's see how strong this bounce is, though. Okay, AMC is showing some more poise again. AMC is being very, what's the word here? Very volatile today. There is no clear trend so far. AMC is showing no trend right now. It's literally just going up and down, and we don't know if the bears are in control or the bulls are in control. You're just seeing the day traders come in, and the day traders are making money right now because there is tons of volatility. Wow. Let's go back and see what's everyone else doing here. Okay, so GME broke down below the resist zones at 253.31. All right, Dogecoin is pulling back. So is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is about 36.568. Dogecoin at 36.30 right now. And now we're seeing AMC test the 49.30 support there. So let's go back to trading view. Let's see. So AMC is showing a nice bounce now. Okay, cool. All right, Dogecoin is pulling back again. So the previous high for Dogecoin is 36.88. It's a pretty low high actually, at least on a 1 minute perspective there. The Dogecoin trading range is getting very narrow. AMC is still trying to bounce here, trying to form a nice consolidated play. If that can happen, we could see a nice bounce up, right? But for AMC to show bullishness, it needs to break above 55.92. Okay. The GME is trying to test the support or resistance at 252.24. All right. It was support and we broke through it, and now it's looking like a resistance. All right. Let's see. Dogecoin is showing some more weakness here. Bitcoin is trying to show a little bounce. All right. Wow, Webull's data is pretty slow. Interesting. Very interesting to see how Webull data kind of sucks. All right, we're seeing some more consolidation. That's cool. That's cool. I'm pretty sure Webull is seeing tons of traffic now into their website to buy and sell AMC and GME in the recent days, including Dogecoin and Bitcoin, because these meme stocks are attracting tons of clients for Webull. If you don't have Webull already, you can check it out in my pinned message. Okay, all you gotta do is use my pinned message, click the link, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks courtesy of Webull, valued up to $1,800. So could be a good chance to get Tesla. All right, so the fact that we're seeing AMC ride that 49.46 support, they're just riding it. If they keep on doing that, it's probably gonna break down below it, to be honest. Because usually, if you test a support too much, that means it's weakness right there, and you're probably gonna break out of it though. Once they break out, I mean pull back. So just something to watch, you know what I mean? Okay, Dogecoin is bouncing. Okay, showing some poise. I like that. I like that. Bitcoin is definitely having issues now because Bitcoin is being, Bitcoin is being tweeted out by Elon Musk all the time. So we're definitely seeing, we are definitely seeing Dogecoin have some issues now because of that. Because even though Elon Musk bashes Bitcoin, it indirectly affects Dogecoin significantly. So just things to be aware of. Dory says coming? Maybe. Could be coming. Well, people say what they want to say, but most people are pretty clueless when they talk, so. Lots of people say things, and most of the time it is just noise. Right. Right on. It was a positive comfort dose. Sure. Sure was. Yeah. Okay, okay. AMC is still bouncing around 49.70. Okay, AMC is actually breaking down now. AMC is actually breaking down. Wow. Okay. All right. Okay, so AMC broke down below the support at around 49.18, and now it's kind of bouncing off it. So that's good, though. That's good. I mean, it's not good that it broke down below the support, but now it's kind of bouncing up and showing a nice green candlestick. So that could be a good thing. Let's see if it continues to go up, though, right? That's the most important thing. Okay. So we're still bouncing for AMC. That's phenomenal. The GME looks like GME appears to try to break back into the 253.31 resistance. Bitcoin and Doge are both pulling back currently. AMC is still bouncing like that. I like that. They are back above into the support now. It's very good. IRAF99. Is this for real, John? I'm the only one that pressed the like button. I don't know. Maybe. Tough crowd right here, right? To get some, it's a tough crowd to get some. It's a tough crowd to get subscribed and notifications and likes from these people. So I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, we're currently at 51.21. AMC is back in the trading range. Okay, that's good. Let's see if it can continue up and hit that 54.85 resistance and break out of it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, GME is testing that GME is testing the resistance at 253.21. Sadly, I think the line is going up. What line? Awesome, awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate the love and support, guys. You guys are awesome. Okay, okay. So AMC is getting rejected off the red line here, right? Wow, WEBULL is really terrible for charting. Wow. Oh well. Okay, so here, GME getting rejected here, right? And testing the support again. So that's showing some weakness right there. Showing some weakness. The bounce was a higher low. You see here on whatchamacallit, on AMC here. Even though a bounce here, right? We're seeing a lower high So to me, AMC is showing some significant weakness here. You know what? I'm gonna use TradingView instead. WEBULL isn't very good. So let me go and draw for you guys for AMC here, right? You're seeing here, okay? These are your three higher lows here. So AMC is showing some significant weakness. All right, even though it bounces here, we're seeing a higher low each time here, so we're kind of trending down. Right, not too sure, but I will use TradingView because TradingView seems to have more reliable data than WEBULL currently, so. So I suspect that we're gonna break down for AMC at least. Rob Kelly says there's more dips than paydays. Very true. All right, so Dogecoin and Bitcoin are both pulling back. No surprise there. GME is coming back up. It looks like it want to test at 253.31, but it is also getting rejected. Okay. VW says I sold all my AMC just now. Too risky for now. Well, I'm glad you guys are I'm glad you guys are, you know, taking profits on AMC if you have profits already. I've been telling you guys for the past I don't know how many days now. I've been saying, guys, sell into strength. Okay. TradingView is free. TradingView is free, but if you want to use Agora, if you want to give Agora a try, if you want to give Agora a try, it's very good for stock day traders or stock investors. Essentially, Agora gives you supports, resistance, pivot points. All right, it gives you supports, resistance, pivot points. It gives you a beautiful reaction ribbon. And if you want to give it a go, link down below in my description here. Okay, 7-day free trial. And if you use my Hey Jon coupon code, you can get 20% off of Agora. And you get charts similar to this here. Obviously, it doesn't do everything for you, but if you're a newbie or a pro like myself here, it does give you support and resistance, and it makes your job a little easier. And you know what? Who doesn't like their job to be a little easier here, right? If you're day trading stocks all day long and you have to draw every single chart every single time, it gets exhausting. So this helps out quite a bit. Okay, we're seeing AMC do a pullback right now. So again, if AMC breaks down below if AMC breaks down below 48.26, watch out, folks. That means we're going to see a further pullback. So just things to be aware of. And of course, if you use TradingView here, right? If you use TradingView and the Agora platform, right? For the TradingView for the charts and Agora for the for the indicators, you can use the free TradingView platform, and you don't have to pay more for it to get more indicators, because Agora knows that, and they combine your indicators into a few, so you don't have to pay for more additional TradingView indicators. So it's kind of like a good thing right there for you anyways. It's a very cool application. I like it. That's why I continue to use it. It's very helpful. And honestly, Agora pays for itself because of the value it gives you. It pays for itself. Okay, let's see, AMC is bouncing here, right? Very interesting to see here, right? AMC gets anywhere around here, around 40.52. It bounces almost every single time here. If anything, today is looking like a descending triangle right here, right? All right, if anything, it looks like, if anything, this is looking like a temporary descending triangle. And usually descending triangles are bullish here. Could this be a bullish sign for AMC? I don't know, maybe, could be. But of course, the fundamentals of course though, the fundamentals of AMC has changed because the CEO yesterday announced that they will be issuing out 11 million shares, and that is quite a bit of few shares there, right? To dilute the pool. Honestly though, if it were me, and if I saw a news drop, I would have sold yesterday. I mean, I don't even care if I took less profits or whatever's, because to me, that kind of news here is bogus right there, right? How dare you, right? The reason why I think that news is bogus is because yes, I've invested in AMC for a few months here, right? I've helped this company get out of bankruptcy here, right? And made them solvent. And how dare they change the fundamentals and make the news bearish here, right? And how dare they do that to me when I was a loyal investor to them? If it were me, I would have sold on GP. GP stands for general principle. All right. To me, AMC is slimy for doing that. And for me, I would sell, and you know what? I don't even care if it goes $100 here. You know what? Forget that stuff. I will never ever support AMC ever again. I will not go to the movie theaters. Forget that. They could go bankrupt again, because they will go bankrupt again, right? Because they have too many theaters. The model sucks. It's an ancient thing here. No one goes anymore. And yeah, man, I would definitely do that. I don't care what they say, you know what I mean? I think that's bogus right there, right? They raised about, I believe, $660 million, right? Almost like, you know, about $500 million, right? I mean, how dare they? And as you know, right? These CEOs and everything are not, these CEOs and whatever is here, right? They're not looking out for your best interest, okay? Okay, when they get these injections and this money here, right? For example, look at the airlines. Look at the airlines here. Oh no, I'm being very positive. I'm just being realistic as well, okay? I'm just being realistic as well. Look at all the airlines here, right? They got all this federal money injections, and they said, you know what? We will hold our employees until October or something. And then when October comes around, they say, you know what? These airline companies are using their employees as hostages, saying, you know what? If you don't give us enough, if you do not give us more money, we will let them all go. And then the federal government gives them more money. I mean, that is literally called I mean, holy cow. I mean, if you do not call that a hostage, a hostage negotiation, then I don't know what is either. But of course, that is financial extortion, in my opinion. I think that's ridiculous. And the fact that the government gave into that thing, this tells me how ridiculous this is here, right? And now you're saying be positive about AMC. No, AMC is doing the wrong thing, okay? The retail shareholders bailed them out, and now AMC is getting greedy because the CEO wants his nice fat bonus here, right? And how he's doing that, and on the backs of the retail shareholders, right? The people who helped his company and bailed his sorry butt out. That is ridiculous. But hey, you know what? If you say I'm being, of course, if you think I'm being negative, sure, why not, right? I say I'm being realistic and I call it for what it is. But you know, whatever you want to call it, it's fine with me. I have no problem whatsoever, right? I mean, I think it's ridiculous. That's all I'm trying to say. I think it's ridiculous. So for me, on general principle, I would sell and never support AMC ever again if I bought AMC. But the reason why I buy AMC is because I think they're a garbage company, and then you know what? I don't believe in their business model. You know, even if they're solvent now here, right? Give them a few years, they will become insolvent again. So if anything, if anything, it is time to short AMC, not be buying this garbage. You know, I'm not trying to be negative here. I'm just saying. I mean, right now, I see right now, and you're like, no way, man. But check it out a few years from now, right? AMC will be in the exact same position it was in again. So, but I'm not saying though. I am not saying that you cannot make money off of AMC. You can for sure make money off of AMC. The reason why you can make money off of AMC is because all eyes are on AMC. When that happens, you're seeing tons of momentum, Momo, come into AMC. Tons of volatility, tons of money, tons of liquidity. So of course it'll push it up and down for sure, and you can absolutely make money off it. Absolutely. But as far as an investment though, I don't know, man. If you believe in it, go for it. But for me, I will say far away. I rather buy Netflix or Hulu before I buy AMC. Oh, I do understand. I do understand what is going on, Andy Campbell. I do understand what's going on here. Okay. But I guarantee you, these hedge funds, right? These hedge funds this time on round 2 here, right? They will not get caught with their pants down, okay? All right. GME was the model of what the retail investors can do, and now AMC is round 2 here, okay? And you better believe these hedge funds are better prepared this time around, okay? I mean, if you think these hedge funds are not going to be better prepared, then that's fine. That's okay, you know. But you know, these people have a lot of money and they have the connections, and there's no way they're going to sit around and have a GME 2.0 happen again, right? GME was the first time it happened. Fool me once, but shame on me, and fool me twice here, right? Fool me twice, shame on me. And there will not be a second time, in my opinion. But you know. Of course. For you guys who bought $2, $5, $9, of course you guys have them in hands, right? Of course you guys have them in hands because you bought so low. If you bought $2 or $9 or $5 here, right? You are literally 10x above right now. So of course you have them in hands. But what about your fellow simps who bought at $50? Who bought at $75 or who bought at $68, right? How about those guys? I bet you those guys don't have the same diamond hands you do because they are down significantly and they are having some retail regret right now. So I mean, yeah, you guys are doing great because you bought in early here, right? But as you know, right? The stock market game, in the stock market, it's a zero-sum game, okay? Please understand, in the stock market, it's a zero-sum game, all right? In order for me to win, you need to lose. That is how the stock market works. So all these YouTubers saying, hey, come in and buy this stock or whatever is here, right? You're right. And you come in and buy it here? Well, you know what? They bought it first, right? and now they're saying, hey guys, come in and buy it too, because there's a short squeeze or whatever, and now you come in and buy it, you buy it higher, and then someone else buys it because, oh yeah, it's only $100, and you hear rumors, oh, it's going down, and then you hear rumors, and then you hear rumors, oh, it's going to $1,000 here, so then they buy here, right? But of course, if you bought the bottom here, you are doing great. But everyone else who bought above you, they may not be doing as great as you. So in a way, this is kind of like a Ponzi scheme in a sense here, right? But you know what? Oh, how dare I say that here? Because this is a social movement. And I agree though, it is a social movement, right? It is a social movement. But at the same token though, it's the exact same thing the hedge fund does. It's the exact same thing the hedge fund does. But instead of having one person with all the money here, you're just aggregating a bunch of different retail traders and doing the same thing here. So it's kind of like bowling room in a sense here. That's okay, right? Just make sure you don't get caught drinking the Kool-Aid too much, and you know, don't get caught with the Kool-Aid, okay? Yeah, well, you know what? I do hope AMC goes past $100. Don't get it twisted, okay? Don't get it twisted. I am all about the retail trader. I'm all about supporting the retail trader. But all I'm saying is also keep both eyes wide open here, and don't get caught drinking the Kool-Aid, okay? All right. As you know, Kool-Aid is an artificial drink, and it is not good for you. Same thing when you listen to YouTubers saying we're going to $100, we're going to $1,000 or whatever they're saying here. You know what I mean? I mean, yeah, we could, absolutely we could. Just be careful though. All right, AMC, in my opinion, is a quick pump and dump. It is definitely not an investment. I mean, of course, I will leave it at that. I am not trying to start an argument. I'm just giving you guys a realistic perspective of what's going on. If you want to stay in your world and not have your eyes open, that's okay too. Okay. All right then, folks. All right, folks. Well, you know what? It was a lot of fun today. I appreciate all you guys coming in to watch a show. So please subscribe, like, and notify. And I will do a follow-up live stream later today. And I will catch you on the next one, okay? So take care and have a good day. And most importantly, stay safe and do only good every day.